Hi, my name is Lucas and I'm one of Heroes Advisor here of Central Florida. And today we're going to talk about something that's really important, which is the famous LowE. So what is LowE? So LowE is the silver coating that is baked in the glass when your window goes from the manufacturer. And what it does is it blocks all the UV rays that's coming from the outside, helping you to save energy, and also doesn't damage your carpet, your furniture, and also your curtains. So what did the homeowners do sometimes when they're looking for a new window? So for example, a lot of homeowners, they have a single pane window like this. It's just one piece of glass, doesn't have LowE at all, and it's not a double pane. So they tend to go and buy a film, which is the window tinted, and then they put it right in front of it. And then what it does is that it darkens the window, but it doesn't block all the UV rays that's coming from the outside. So now you don't have that much of visibility anymore, and now there's a lot of heat that's going through. So then the second option is that a homeowner goes to a double pane. Now you have two layers of glass here, but this window is just a clear glass. So there's not much of energy efficiency in this window. So one of the best options for a homeowner is to have a window that is double pane, and also there's a LowE in the glass already baked it from the manufacturer. So with LowE baked in the glass from the manufacturer, it's gonna help a lot of homeowners to now save money in the energy bill. And it would be 20 to 25% depending on how many windows are going to replace in your home. So let me show you a test here, which is this heat lamp with the barometer. So the barometer is going to capture all the UV rays that's coming from the heat lamp. And now you're going to see that fan start spinning because of the heat that's going through of that glass. Now I'm gonna do a test real quick with you, comparing a single pane and also a double pane with LowE in it. So if I put this single pane right in front of it, thinking that this is gonna block some heat, right? It doesn't block at all. The barometer is still spinning. It gets a little bit slower, but it actually doesn't block nothing that's coming from the outside. Now, if I do the same test with a window that's a double pane and also there's LowE in it, let's see what's going to happen with the barometer. So as you can see, the barometer is going to start slowing down because all the UV rays that's coming from the heat lamp, it's being reflected out. So only the visibility and the light is going through, but the heat, it's not going in. If you leave your home with the single pane, you're still gonna have protection, but at the same time, your energy bill is gonna start increasing because you're not actually blocking the heat, so your AC is constantly working against the heat. So this is one of the main things that we work here at Hero Construction, and we make sure that we provide this type of windows for our clients because it gives them not only a security that they're having a good window, but also a peace of mind that they are saving in the energy bill. So as you can see, our warehouse is full of windows ready to be installed for our clients, and you can be the next one. So give us a call. Our estimators are gonna be ready to give to you a free quote with no obligation. And I see you next time. Thank you.